What's up, everybody? I'm in Vinny the Minivan 1998 Town and Country Chrysler. That is loud. Water in the radiator. I have the pressure check done, freeze plugs done, serpentine belt done. I checked the freaking water pump when I had all these issues. What else? I don't know, guys. I think now I have a blown head gasket, but I don't know. Let's turn the AC on, see if it makes any more noise. Yep, it does. Oh, you just ran with light. I didn't like the AC, y'all. I'm gonna turn that shit off. That's annoying. If you have any mechanical skills that you would like to let me know what's going on, I'd really appreciate it. The car is just sucking radiator fluid. It's not leaking anywhere. Like I said, did the compression test. I did all the tests necessary. I have my check engine light on because I need a new transmission. This is just a project car, y'all. Well, it was a project car, and then I thought I fixed it, and then I drove it, and I broke it again, and long story short, I want to fix it and sell it. If anybody can help me, I really appreciate it. Thank you.